What up, guys? Let's see if I can get this beast into this. It's the TT1021 electric conversion. This came from Germany. 7075. It's the good stuff. And basically, it's just on the bottom. Mounted the front piece, 4 screws there, and then the ring mounted with these two. And I think these right here are for if you had a shorter, you put the ring there. If you have a shorter motor. So let's see what I can do here. Looks like I might have to. Yep. I'm gonna have to use. I guess this is for super long motors back here. I'm gonna have to switch this. Alright. Alright, let's see how this mounts up. It's not lining up. That looks okay, but I'm gonna have to put this on first and then the ring, I guess. It's as low as it goes, but it's off. I think that that on. That doesn't look right. That doesn't look right. That doesn't look right at all. Doesn't even. It's not right. This isn't long enough. Well, that's a shame. Over now. What's up? So I went to mount this big boy last night, and so I had this mounted up like this, and it was like that. And I was thinking, did I do something wrong? What's going on here? I can't have 12S and the motor's doing that. So I got in touch with the RC Car Online guys. They're in Germany, I believe. That's where this mount came from. They emailed me back this morning and said they sent me the wrong mount. This is for a smaller motor. I need the big boy. So they said they're going to be sending me the correct one today, which, you know, they're in Germany, so I'll probably see it in a week and a half, but that's okay. I should be getting the truck in about a week. So just a little update there. First hiccup, but can't let it defeat you. Gotta keep on trying, man. The beast.